I want to talk to you about BOGO apps. And if you think about BOGO, you're speaking about buy one, get one apps. And those apps can really help you big time in terms of boosting sales, in terms of attracting customers, in terms of actually increasing your brand's overall appeal. Because people love the free stuff. I mean, of course, you buy one, but you get one for free. That's what it means, okay? So here are the top 8 BOGO apps I want to share with you into this conversation. The first such app is called Rightly BOGOs. That's actually the name of the app, and I love this app because it is it is very scalable. It is very straightforward in terms of set. If you have to set it up, it's really fast, and also you can see an increase in your revenue big time, real fast too. So BOGOs is actually a promotional app that really offers a range of features to boost the average order value through a different discount strategies. So the whole idea behind the BOGOs app is to increase your AOV, your store's AOV. Okay, so basically you can maybe 2x, 3x, or even 5x your store's AOV. The app does one good thing that I love personally is that it supports buy one get one. Like you buy X get Y, you have a free gift with purchase, product bundles, quantity breaks, and volume discounts. So you can see that in terms of discount strategies, this app is really packed with a lot of goodies, a lot of strategies, and that can help you in terms of increasing your overall revenue. And you can set up and manage multiple offers with advanced customization options, including specific URL targeting. If you want to really go in terms of URL targeting, BOGOs can really help you big time. And you also have location-based rules, and you also have customer segmentation. So you have all kinds of rules that you can set up within BOGOs to make sure you are reaching your goal. And BOGOs also provides real-time analytics to help you optimize your promotions and integrates very well with Shopify's checkout process, BigCommerce checkout process, WooCommerce also, and that's kind of cool. But on Shopify, they have all the integration you need. In terms of pricing, BOGOs offers 4 plans ranging from $29.99 to $99.99 per month. And annual billing options are available for a 20% discount. So if you want to be billed annually, you can have a maximum of 20% discount. So that's really good. Another BOGO app I want to share with you is actually called Ultimate Sales Boost by Hextom. This app is really fantastic in terms of the flexibility it gives your store to increase its revenue real fast. Okay, so Ultimate Sales Boost by Hextom specializes in BOGO promotions, helping you implement these offers across your entire store. I mean, Ultimate Sales was really fantastic during COVID, for instance. Like this app still was working during COVID, helping online entrepreneurs make money while everybody else was at home. Okay, was stuck at home. So that's really cool. Now, when I speak about implementing offers through Ultimate Sales Boost by Hefstom, you're talking about all kinds of tactics from home and collection pages to product, cart, and checkout pages. Okay, so you can really implement your offers across your entire store. So, alongside its BOGO capabilities, this app also offers 30 other tools. I said 30. Can you imagine that? 30 tools. 30 other tools like a stock countdown and payment badges that can boost sales and conversions throughout the customer journey. So that's really fantastic. So unique features include a get it by timer, which allows your customers also when they can expect to receive their order, and image labels for visual promotion. So that's really fantastic from a clarification point of view. Now, this app also stands out with its advanced targeting options, including geolocation and customer spending based segmentation, all configurable with one click. Okay, so you don't have to really let's say reckon with something very complicated in terms of setup. Okay, it's very straightforward. In terms of pricing, Ultimate Sales Boost offers a free starter plan with paid plans ranging from $9.99 all the way to $29.99 per month. So you can see that Ultimate Sales Boost by Hestom is way cheaper than BOGO's, for instance. Okay, BOGO's is charging you a maximum of 99.99. The maximum that Ultimate Sales by Hextom is charging you is actually $29.99 per month. Another BOGO app I want to share with you into this conversation actually is Wide Bundles. So for your Shopify stores, for your BigCommerce stores, for let's just say your online store in general, Wide Bundles does something really great in terms of helping you increase your AOV, your store's AOV, and it does so across multiple geographies. So if you're listening to me right now and you have a store that caters to different countries, different geographies, different demographics, Wide Bundles can really help you in terms of adapting its algorithm to your specific geography. Like if you have a one country tactic, maybe you don't need Wide Bundles. But if you sell in multiple countries with different strategies, then Wide Bundles can really help you. So Wide Bundles overall is a Shopify app that can help increase AOV through flexible BOGO deals, product bundles, and quantity breaks. Actually, the app itself uses an integrated widget, making the buying process smoother for customers across the board. Okay, and this application offers mix and match bundles as well as volume discounts without using discount codes, which is really good because as a merchant, the app gives you more flexibility with promotions at checkout. Right, you can really choose which percentage you want to apply, if any. And you can also customize Wide Bundles appearance to match your store and pair it with various upsell apps, side cart solutions, as well as page builders. So this is kind of cool in terms of flexibility. In terms of pricing, Wide Bundles, a simple plan starts at $18 per month, and its advanced plan costs about $36 per month and comes with more add-ons. So you have a lot of possibilities, a lot of flexibility too. So that's really fantastic. So in terms of pricing, you can see that it's not really that cheap, but it's also decent. I mean, the pricing is still decent anyway. So that's really fantastic. If you're looking for the best BOGO apps for your Shopify store, I want you to think about Kaching Bundle. And what I love about Kaching Bundle is that Kaching Bundle actually adapts your pricing and your discounts based on the customer behavior, if you will. Okay, and that's really good because it gives you some kind of real time feedback into your campaign and adjusting the pricing, adjusting the promo codes, or adjusting whatever you have going on based on whether or not customers like it or not. Okay. So Kaching Bundle quantity breaks can boost the sales actually through well-crafted product bundles and volume discounts. And the cool thing is that this app processes discounts in the background without requiring separate bundled products, keeping the discount tab clean. So that's really good because you do not want to really be confused about multiple discounts happening on the discount tab. This can be very confusing, not only to the consumer, but also to you as the promoter, as to you as the seller. Okay. And as the shop owner, you can set up discounts based on many things. It really depends on what kind of promos you want to run. You can set up discounts based on, say, a percentage, for instance, based on the dollar amount, or based on the specific pricing for selected products or collections. So that's kind of cool. And Kaching Bundle also provides a dashboard to track additional revenue generated by these promotions. So you are really, really you are really in good hands through this app. In terms of pricing, Kaching is decently priced also because Kaching Bundle offers a basic monthly plan at $14.99 per month and a basic yearly plan at $119.88 per year. Now, both starts with a 14-day free trial and provide live support live support team assistance, and unlimited bundle deals. The cool thing is if you're interested in Kaching bundle quantity breaks, it's just a lot better to get the yearly plan. You'll be saving a lot of cash through the yearly plan. Okay, especially if you want to really, even if like they also give you the opportunity to actually buy the 2 year plan. So the 2 year plan, the discounts are even bigger. So that's really cool. If you have the budget for it, I would say go with the yearly plan at least. If you're looking for a BOGO app for your Shopify store this year, I want you to think about AIOD, so all-in-one discount. This is a great app for you to really think about this year. And what I love about AIOD is that this is an app that actually adapts to your sales trends. This is an app that really helps you get some insights into your analytics to see what works, what doesn't work, what products are selling more than others, and then adapt your promo code, your promos based on the trends. Okay, think about AIOD all-in-one discount as a Shopify app for increasing sales through various automated discount options. And the automated discount options actually sometimes use artificial intelligence to automate the whole process further. So you don't even have to think about anything, okay? AIOD BOGO will really help you in the background. So this app actually does something that I love a lot. It really offers quantity breaks, BOGO deals, free gifts, and other promotional tools without requiring discount codes. That's really important because the discount code thing can be really annoying for some customers and people do not want to really like, can you imagine you're all excited to get a discount and all of a sudden they're asking you for a promo code and you don't have a promo code and you're pissed. And you're pissed not only about the whole experience but also about the brand. So AIOD really removes that extra hurdle, okay? And so no promo codes are needed. Now, this app also can stack discounts and display pop-ups for upsell discounts to actually persuade customers to buy an additional or more expensive product. That's kind of cool. Upsell, cross-sell. And AIOD includes a tier promotion system that shows progress messages to encourage higher order values. So as a shop owner, you get insights into discount performance, helping you to refine your strategies and expand your customer base. So that's kind of cool. In terms of pricing, AIOD offers actually a free plan for development stores with paid plans ranging from $9.99 to $24.99 per month based on your Shopify plan. And all paid plans come with a 15-day free trial. So that's really fantastic. You have the possibility to get things done fast. Another BOGO app I want to share with you, another BOGO app for your Shopify store, actually has to be Upsellio, BOGO, and free gifts. What I love about Upsellio is that Upsellio, as the name implies, it has to deal with upsells, but a lot more too. Okay, so Upsellio lets you, as a merchant, create BOGO offers, free gifts with purchase, cart upsells, as well as cross-sell promotions. So you have a large array of tactics to really deploy through Upsellio, BOGO, and free gifts. What I love about this app is that you are able to get into all kinds of discounts. You have a buy one get one, or any type of search buy X get Y, discounted upsell, flash sale, product bundles. Okay, so and those you can implement those very easily. And also, what you will love with Upsellio is that you can display these offers as pop-ups or embed them on various pages of your store, including the cart, the product pages, or even the home page. So you have a lot of real estate where you can display your offers, okay? And the app even goes further. It provides analytics to track sales and conversions, giving you insight into your return on investment. Additionally, you can customize the appearance of your offers to match your store's design. So that's really good from a flexibility point of view. In terms of pricing, Upsellio offers you a free plan for stores with up to 50 monthly orders. with paid plans ranging from $5.99 to $19.99 per month, depending on order volume. So that's really fantastic. And also, the paid plans come with a 30-day free trial. So you have 30 days to really test out the product, to really evaluate it and see if you like it. If you don't, then it's fine too. Okay, for 30 days you have a free trial, and sometimes depending on your location, they don't even ask for a credit card. So that's really good. Another BOGO app for your Shopify store this year is the Revy's Unlimited Bundles and Discounts. And so, what I love about Revy's Unlimited Bundles and Discount is that you are able to create various bundle types, including buy X, get Y, quantity breaks, and mix and match. Okay. And the app actually applies discounts automatically and lets you combine. That's a good thing. Lets you combine different promotions to create compelling offers. So if you have a Shopify store or a big commerce store or a WooCommerce store or whatever online store you have, you can really implement this app. Okay. You can even use the live editor to customize your bundles and preview them in real time. Revy emphasizes quick setup, allowing you to create your first bundle quickly without any coding. In terms of pricing, basically, Revy offers a free plan with limited features and paid plans ranging from $13.99 to $29.99 per month based on your Shopify plan. So that's really good. Now, if you're a new user, and that's a good thing, you're able to get a 40% discount. Can you imagine that? 40% discount for the first 3 months on paid plans. So that's really fantastic. Another app I want to share with you is UShop Aid. And UShop Aid actually combines bundle discounts and marketing tools in one app. It offers discount bundles. So that's really good. Discount bundles. You have discount bundles. You also have mix and match bundles. You have fixed bundles to help increase AOV. Okay. So before bundling though, the app includes features, all kinds of features. You have features like sign up pop-ups or sign up pop-ups or lead capture and email marketing capabilities. You can also use these tools tools such as sticky add to cart and recent sales notifications to improve your store's performance. Okay, and UShop Aid regularly adds new features based on user feedback. In terms of pricing, UShop Aid offers 4 plans ranging from $6.99 to $59.99 per month, with pricing based on bundled revenue and email volume. And all plans come with a 14-day free trial. So that's really fantastic. So those are the top 8 BOGO apps I wanted to share with you. Let me share with you a few hard facts here. The thing is that if you run an online brand, BOGO can really help you big time, because BOGO really taps into the whole idea of having A/B test, okay, to see what works and what doesn't work. And what I love about BOGO apps is that they really instill into your online sales some flexibility. Those apps help you also get bigger orders, but also providing you with insights as to what works and what doesn't work. So that's really fantastic from a flexibility point of view. You have more insights as to what works and what doesn't work. So that's really great. From a scalability point of view, a BOGO app can really help you big time. So here's an epilogue into this conversation. I share with you the best BOGO apps for your Shopify store. So the BOGO apps includes BOGO's Ultimate Sales Boost by Hestom, White Bundles, Kaching Bundle, AIOD, All-in-One Discount, Upsell BOGO and Free Gifts, Revy's Unlimited Bundles and Discounts, and UShop Aid. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.